So I am going to show you how to use the Fuelio app, an app that records all the information about your vehicle, its fuel consumption, the costs of traveling, your GPS locations, your mileage, everything. So let me begin by showing you how to add the vehicle information on this. So if you click on the menu and go down and click on vehicles, here you can add the vehicle information. As you can see, I've already got one motorcycle information added as I have started using this app since I bought this motorcycle, which is fantastic. So let me show you by adding a new vehicle here. If you click on the plus sign, you come up to this screen where you can add all the information about your vehicle. So my vehicle is called Suzuki, and description I'm going to say SX4 S-Cross, and then I can select the units I'm going to be using. Since I live in UK, I'm going to use miles. Fuel unit, liters, of course, that is how I will use it. Consumption, let's go into this section and you will see all the information that from different units you can choose whatever is convenient for you. For me, I use miles per liter. And the fuel type, I have diesel, and if it's a biofuel, 2 tanks, you can select that. Since it is only a diesel car, I'm going to stick with one fuel type. And tank op capacity, I guess mine is 60 liters, so I'm going to put 60 liters here. Optional, you can put down all the other information which is optional. It will work without having that information in there, but it's helpful if you have a fleet of cars. You can put down that information here. I'm going to put down my model number is 2018, model year, sorry, license plate. You can put down that again, make and model, which I've already described up here in the name and description section. So I can leave it blank or I can add it there. As I said, it will be helpful if you have a fleet of cars. Your VIN number, insurance policy. Active? Yes, it is active. So I'm going to add that. You can change the picture of the vehicle here as well by clicking this icon and then going into your gallery and selecting the image you want. I'm going to leave it as it is just for demonstration purposes. So here we go, added.